Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio AQ-230 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press the lower left button for about 2 seconds until you hear the beep. So let's go, press and hold. And there it is. Now we see the seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the upper left button, and it will go to 0. Next up, press the lower left button, and the flashing moves on to our hour value. To shuffle it, press the upper left button. As you can see, I'm shuffling from 0 to 24. I'm going to leave it at 19 o'clock. There it is. Now we have set our hour value. Press the lower left button again, and we see that the minutes are flashing. Again, press the upper left button to shuffle it, or press and hold it to engage fast rotation. I'm going to leave it at 46. That's correct. There it is. Now we have set our minutes and we press the lower left button and we are in the position of setting our time format. We press the upper left button to shuffle between 12 or 24 hour time format. This refers to our digital time over here, so I'm going to leave it at 24 hour time format. Once I'm done, I'm going to press the mode button once again, and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode, and we have set our digital time over here. How to set the date? From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press the upper left button to enter the date indicator mode. Whilst there, press and hold the lower left button until you hear the beep. And here, in this case, I have the number 2 flashing. That is our month indicator. In this case, it is 2 corresponding to month of February. Press the upper left button to shuffle the value if it's not correct. And I'm going to get it back to 2 since that corresponds to month of February. Once I'm done with my month value, I'm going to press the lower left button and flashing moves on to my, in this case, number 21 or my second value. This corresponds to my day value, and if it's not correct, I'm going to press the upper left button until I get to the desired month value. Day value. In this case, it is 19, and there it is. That is my day value. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to press the lower left button, and MO is flashing. That corresponds to the Monday. So day of the week, in this case, it's Monday. To shuffle it, press the upper left button, and as you can see, I'm shuffling between days of the week. I'm going to leave it at Monday since that is correct for me. Once I've set my date value, I'm going to press the lower left button again, and we are back at the date indicator mode. Now we have implemented the settings. Next up, press the upper left button to shuffle to the watch modes and get to our time representation or standard timekeeping mode. Once we have set our digital time, we have to set our analog time. So our analog time should correspond to our digital time over here. And as you can see, currently it's not, it's off by 3 minutes. Now what to do? Well, again, from the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the lower left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Now we are going to press this button over here on the right side to engage our analog hands till we get them to the exact time. Press and hold it to engage rotation of the watch hands. When you release it, it will stop. So since we have to do a full circle, well, almost, we're gonna have to hold it for quite some time until we get the exact at 19 o'clock and 48 minutes. Now we are fine-tuning the, so 54, it is going to be 50, 51, and there it is. Now we have set our watch, and we're gonna press the lower left button once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode, and our analog and digital time are synced. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.